Hello guys, it's Hamza.
It's Sharoz. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
It's time to react. Today we're gonna react to Islamic University of Technology
Bangladesh.
of Bangladesh, जो कि हमें सजेस्ट किया है एक हमारे सब्सक्राइबर ने और वी हैव बैक टू यूट्यूब चैनल आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ड्यू टू सम रीजंस। कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स थी हमारी और कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का आपको पता है कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस थी और ऑनलाइन जो पेपर चल रहे थे, जिसकी वजह से हमें मतलब थोड़ा देर हो गई है। तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं, तो देखते हैं कैसी यूनिवर्सिटी है। तो वैसे तो मतलब अभी तक मैंने कोई वैसे बांग्लादेश की यूनिवर्सिटी ना मतलब वीडियो देखी। हाँ, सुनने में आया कि काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त यूनिवर्सिटीज़, अब जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है बांग्लादेश का वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपग्रेड हो रहा है। तो देखते हैं कैसी यूनिवर्सिटी है।
Let's start the video.
IUT is a subsidiary organ of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, commonly known as OIC. The leaders of the Ummah established this university with a vision to prepare the youth of the Ummah to face the challenges of the 21st century, to regain our lost glory in the field of science, technology, and technical education. The magnificence of this campus lies not only on its imposing architecture, but also in its broad diversity of international student population. Students from many different OIC countries study here and live in the campus. The experience of living in the dormitories with fellow students from different cultures and unique opportunities to make friends from different countries is a great advantage, and every year students from the member countries are enrolled into this university. The majority comprises the students from the host country. Nevertheless, there is a unique diversity in the student body. The students from different countries are able to share their cultural views. What more they share is the unity of the Islamic fraternity that is also reverberated in the Islamic architecture all around the campus.
Tell us in comments.
Speaking of the Islamic architecture, we can see that each of the campus infrastructure is built using exposed red brick walls, a style known as bond. These walls represent the strong Islamic bond among the students of IUT. Another distinct structure is the 5 pillars, which is located close to the gate of entrance. This represents the 5 fundamental pillars of Islam, namely Shahada, Salat, Zakat, Saum, Hajj. The central court is the heart of the campus, around which stand the auditorium, library, cafeteria, administrative building, and the central mosque.
Really very good.
There is also a beautiful lake inside the campus, including more architectural feats
during the
all
whole
through the
video.
campus. After all, the aesthetic design of the whole campus was done by the Turkish architect Pamir Mehmet. Among the other buildings, we have 2 academic buildings, 3 laboratory buildings, 2 halls of residence, a utility building, a student center, a gymnasium, a laundry building, and a medical center. The North Academic Building and the North Hall of Residence are relatively recently built. There are quarters for faculty members and officials at the southwest part of the campus. We have well-facilitated classrooms, a large library, advanced laboratory, workshops, etc. Miscellaneous research works are conducted under the Department of Research, Extension, and Advisory Services and Publication. Also, other researches related to environment are conducted by the Energy and Environment Center. And then comes the student life at IUT. Now who better to tell that than the students themselves? Let's hear what they have to say.
The best thing about IUT is that it strictly follows the academic calendar, and you can complete your bachelor in just 3 years and 10 months.
IUT encourages us in doing extracurricular activities through different societies.
There are huge facilities of outdoor sports like cricket and football. Also, there are facilities for other recreational activities like gymnasium, indoor and outdoor basketball, table tennis, lawn tennis, etc.
At IUT, we value education not only based on the academic merits, but also based on the moral development of each student. We want to transfer our students not only the fittest, but also the
Great,
nicest.
guys, great.
We follow a strict policy, a policy of evolution, where expansion of our
Again, nice
departments and
camera.
programs are carried out after careful thoughts, taking into consideration the needs and requirements for both present and future of the member states. Every year, about 300 students receive degrees from IUT. Students who are both academically qualified and morally enhanced. They enjoy their student life at this university.
Completion of degree.
Yeah.
Islamic University of Technology. जी तो गाइज हमारी वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गई है. सो शरोज वी आस्क फ्रॉम शरोज व्हाट ही लाइक इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी एज वेल एज वीडियो. So Shahroz, which part is your favorite part in this university as well as video?
The thing which I like about this university,
Yeah.
is that there is a mosque university as well as a lake.
Yeah,
This is most beautiful.
I first time see that there is a university inside there is a mosque inside a university. Sorry, in Pakistan there is no concept. I think so. There are many mosques present around the university. The thing I like the most in the university is its Islamic infrastructure as well as some Islamic concept, which is a mosque present inside a university. This is really very good. And the lake you said before, that the lake are very beautiful. It's very beautiful. So guys, we can't realize that this is Bangladesh. Keep it up, guys, and best wishes, best of luck for the future. If you like our video, then please subscribe
This channel and like, share and comment.
and suggest us more videos like that. So Allah Hafiz.